Good morning, children. Today I am going to start fourth lesson, root support of the plant. In this lesson, you are going to study what are the functions of roots, types of roots, and some plants' roots are modified as food. So before I start the lesson, let us see what are the different parts of a plant. Here you can see root, stem, fruit, leaf, flower. So flower helps in reproduction, leaf performs photosynthesis, fruit protects the seeds, stem supports the plant, root absorbs water and minerals. So today we are going to study only about roots and what are the functions of roots. So you can see here root grows below the soil under the ground, whereas the other things stem, fruit, leaf, flower, it is going to grow above the soil, above the ground. Okay, so let's see what are the different functions of roots. Now, in order to prove this, I have some activity here. Now children, in order to stand straight, we need two legs. So, you know that without the support of leg, we can't stand straight. Here also, roots are the supporting for the plant to stand straight. So, plants need the help of root to stand straight. So, here I am going to explain a small activity. Okay. So, now take two coconut shells and fill it with soil. Now what you have to do is, you have to put some ragi or paddy grain in one shell and don't put anything in another shell. Okay? And keep these two shells in sunshine and sprinkle some water over it. After a few days, you can see a seed will germinate. So what is the meaning of germinate? Grow. Okay? So now invert the two coconut shells. So you can see some differences. So what is the difference? The cell, what I have put ragi, you can see a web like this. So what is this? This is root. So the another shell, what I have put nothing, so you cannot see anything there, only the soil can be noticed. So from this activity, we can prove that roots help the plant to stand straight. Roots bind the soil particles together like a web. This supports the plants to stand straight on the ground. Now, we all know water is most important for living beings. Both plants and animals need water for survival. Now, plants need water to grow and root absorb water from the soil. Now here just I am going to explain one small activity. Take two pots, fill with soil, okay? Then take two plants, cut the root of one plant and let another be as it is. Next, you have to place two plants in each pot. Next, you have to keep it in sunshine and pour the water daily. So after 2-3 days, you will notice some changes. So what is the changes? The plant with water, it grows well because here it is having root. Whereas the plant without root, it does not grow well because it don't have root. So the next function of root is root absorbs water and mineral and nutrients from the soil and it transport to different parts of the plant. So for this, I am going to explain one small activity. Take one glass, fill it with water. Then you have to add some 2 drops of ink. Later, you pull out one blossom plant from the ground, wash the roots properly or thoroughly. Then put the plant inside the glass. So, you should observe in the next day. So, what you can see the changes? you can see the color had spread to some parts of the plant. So, what you understand is the root absorbs the water and nutrients from the plant and it transports to different parts of the plant. So, you can see here if it is in red color, so the other parts also get color. Okay. So, children, next is the root is the supporter of the plant. Root web conserves soil particles and water. Roots fix the plants firmly to the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and supply them to the other parts of the plant. Okay, children. Next, you can see this picture. So, what is this? Carrot, radish and beetroot. So, from which part of the plant it grows? Yes, it is from root. There are some plants which we eat the root as a food. So, their root we consume as a food. Now, there are two types of roots. One is taproot and second one is fibrous root. So, what is taproot? So, taproot, it is somewhat straight and thick. The second one is fibrous root. So, here fibrous root, it is opposite of taproot. So, you can see here the dense of roots here. So, example grass and example for taproot is carrot. Children, next you have list of some roots and their uses. So, first one ashwagandha, it is used as medicine. Carrot, it is beneficial to our eyes. Beetroot helps lower blood pressure. Sweet potato support immune system. Okay children, now I have done 3 activities. Now I want you to take out page number 30 and you have to try at home the first activity. Okay, you should try the first activity and try and enjoy. So today in this class we studied what are the functions of roots, then some plants' roots are modified as food and also types of roots. Okay children, hope you have understood. Thank you children.